Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to create quilling strips at home. So for that, you can take any colored sheets. They can be of any GSM ranging from 100 GSM and above. And we are going to learn 5 different ways of creating these quilling strips at home. So let us start the first. So for the first, take any color. This is very simple and anybody can do it. For that, what we'll do is take your scale and just mark from one end. Now you can either make your strips in 0.5 or 0.3. So here I am marking a 0.5. Just mark 0.5 and then do another marking for 0.5 so that your lines are absolutely straight. Simply join the lines using a light pencil. Now in this way you can draw lines for the entire page. After that, you can just take your scissors So making quilling strips at home is helpful, especially when we want to make flowers in the colors of our choice. So see, the 5 mm green color quilling strip is red. Now here you can also make strips in 0.3 mm or 3 mm, 2 mm, 1 mm depending on whatever size quilling strip you want. This is extremely useful when we are making bigger flowers and leave lots of strips in the same colors. So this is one way in which you can make them using your scissors. Now we are going to make 0.3 mm strips. So take your scale and mark 0.3 mm. And in the same way mark it down also. Now take your scissors and simply cut it on the line. See, my 3 mm strip is ready. So once you've drawn it properly, you can cut your 1 mm, 2 mm, 5 mm, even your 1 cm strips that you need for bigger fringe flowers easily at home using the colors of your choice. So let me show you. So my 3 mm strips are ready. The other way is again simple. You need to put your scale and you can take any paper cutter. Hold your scale very tight and simply run the paper cutter. You will have to run it 2 times and so now my 0.5 mm strip is ready using the paper cutter. Now I'm going to show you how to cut them using my cutter. So just take your paper cutter, hold your scale very tightly So my 3 mm strip is ready. You can even use your paper cutter with the scale to make them. So now I'm going to make quilling strips using my cutting machine. For that I have taken my red color paper and just pass it through the like this. Hold it and Be very careful when you are using this. In this way, your strip is ready. Let me show you one more time. So you should hold it very firmly, the paper, and you can easily cut your strips whether of 3 mm or 5 mm this way. Let me show you the strips. See how nicely the strips have come out. So this is another way in which you can create. See, these are thinner strips, these are 5 mm strips. You can easily create strips of your choice. So now I'm going to tell you another way in which you can create your quilling strips, thin as well as thick. So here, this is a normal pasta maker hand, which is driven by the hand. So I'll be creating my 2 mm strips and 5 mm strips in this. So just fix the paper color of your choice like this and simply start rotating it. This is going to take a little effort, but you can see such fine strips are created. See, so many of them, or these are all 1 to 2 mm thick strips, and we can easily make our beautiful flowers using them. In the same way, we can also create about 5 mm strip using the same technique. So this is another cool technique of creating your paper strips, quilling strips at home. Now let me show you how we'll cut it using a 0.5 mm in the pasta maker. Just attach your paper, and after that we have to rotate it manually. So see, you can see our 5 mm strips are ready to use. See, the 5 mm strips are yet ready for use. So we have also made our, see, I have made my 3 mm, 1 mm to 2 mm strips, and these are our 5 mm strips. So in this way we can make strips of our choice using the pasta maker also. Now to make my fifth way of making quilling strips, I am using this shredder. So just take the paper of your choice and let me show you. We will get quilling strips. So this is a 5 mm, so I have got 5 mm quilling strips ready. So you can even use a hand shredder as well as an electric shredder to make your quilling strips. So we have learned now 5 different ways of creating our quilling strips. First, we learned using our scissors. Second, using a paper cutter. Third, we created them using our big cutting machine. Fourth, we used a shredder. And fifth, we did it with a pasta machine. So in all of these, the benefit is that you can take any kind of colored paper to create quilling strips of your choice and make your flowers, leaves, as well as your cards in the colors of your choice. Secondly, you can cut them with any thickness. That means you can either cut them in 5 mm or 3 mm. So these can be easily made at home in all colors. So do try it out. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.